Are you looking for the best 240-watt USB Type-C cable? In this video, we want to the top 5 best 240-watt USB Type-C cable on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Ugreen 240-watt USB Type-C cable. The Ugreen 240-watt USB Type-C cable is nothing short of a technological marvel, offering blazing fast charging speeds and exceptional versatility. Whether you're using it for your PS5, Nintendo Switch, MacBook, or any other compatible device, this cable delivers unparalleled performance. One of the standout features of this cable is its 48V5 and ESSiger technology, which sets the stage for lightning-fast charging. With a 240-watt leading fast charging technology, this cable is upgraded with P3.1 capabilities, pushing charging speeds to the next era. It's all about getting your devices up and running in record time. The P3.1 AST charging is not only cutting-edge but also conveniently backward compatible with P3.0 and P2.0, ensuring that you can use it with a wide range of devices without any hassle. Whether you're charging your MacBook Air 2021, iPad Pro, or gaming laptops, this cable has you covered. This cable goes beyond the usual charging needs and can be adapted to the voltage requirements of multi-string lithium-ion battery equipment like electric tools, electric bicycles, and industrial power supplies. It's a versatile solution that can handle high-voltage power supply demands. Ugreen offers 2 models of this cable, allowing you to choose the one that suits your needs best. Whether you opt for the PD 240-watt USB-C to USB-C cable or the PD 100W USB-C to USB-C cable, you can expect top-tier performance and reliability. The cable's stable transmission is ensured by a built-in advanced chip, guaranteeing that your data and power signals flow seamlessly. This means you can count on consistent and reliable performance every time you use it. Durability is a key factor for any cable, and the Ugreen cable doesn't disappoint. Its amazing durability is evident in its flexibility and sturdiness, making it a cable that can withstand daily use without breaking a sweat. With a generous length of 2 meters, about 6.5 feet, this cable is designed for long-distance usage, offering extra convenience in your daily life. You won't have to worry about being tethered too closely to power sources. Last but not least, the cable boasts a fast transfer speed of 480 Mbps, adhering to the USB 2.0 standard. This means you can transfer a 1 GB file in just 40 seconds, making it an excellent choice for those who require rapid data transfer alongside fast charging capabilities. In conclusion, the Ugreen 240-watt USB Type-C cable is a must-have for anyone seeking top-notch charging and data transfer performance. Its advanced technology, backward compatibility, durability, and generous length make it a standout choice for a wide range of devices and applications. Say goodbye to slow charging and data transfer frustrations, and welcome the next era of speed and efficiency with this remarkable cable. Number 4. Essager 240-watt USB Type-C cable. The Essager 240-watt USB Type-C cable is a true powerhouse when it comes to fast charging and data transfer. With its impressive 240-watt, 48V/5A, ultra-high power capability and support for the P3.1 protocol, this cable takes charging and syncing to a whole new level. The 5A large current high-speed charging is a standout feature of this cable. With 240 watt of strong power, it can fully charge a MacBook Pro 2021 in about 1.5 hours, making it incredibly efficient. It's a game-changer for those who demand rapid charging for their high-powered devices. The inclusion of an E-marker inside the cable enhances its performance and safety. It intelligently matches the required current for your devices while maintaining voltage control, resulting in safer charging. When it comes to data transfer, the Essager cable doesn't disappoint. It offers high-speed data sync with a transfer speed of 480 Mbps. This means that uploading a 1 GB file takes just 30 seconds, allowing for efficient work without any interference between charging and data transfer. Durability is a key factor, and this cable rises to the challenge. It features an elongated SR design that escapes the dilemma of repeatedly changing the cable. After undergoing more than 10,000 high swing tests, its reliability is unquestionable. The precise weaving technique used in the cable's construction results in a strong line body that doesn't pill, ensuring long-lasting durability. It's a cable that can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. The tinned copper wire core is the key to stable function. By selecting a thick tin copper wire core, the cable enhances transmission stability, reduces heat, and ensures quick and safe charging for your devices. With wide compatibility, the Essager 240-watt USB Type-C cable is suitable for a wide range of Type-C devices. Whether you're using it with smartphones, tablets, laptops, or other gadgets, you can count on its performance and reliability. In conclusion, the Essager 240-watt USB Type-C cable is a top-notch choice for those who demand high-speed charging and data transfer capabilities. Its support for multiple power bands, e-marker technology, durability, and compatibility make it a standout cable for a wide range of applications. Say goodbye to slow charging and data transfer headaches, and embrace the power and efficiency of this remarkable cable. Number 3. Heemax 240-watt USB Type-C cable. The Heemax 240-watt USB Type-C cable is a true powerhouse when it comes to fast charging and data transmission. With its versatility, compatibility, and innovative features, it stands out as a top-notch cable for a wide range of devices. First and foremost, it's important to note that there are two different types of cables available, so be sure to choose the one that suits your needs. Now, let's dive into what makes this cable so remarkable. The LED 240-watt power is a standout feature, providing a visual indication of the cable's capabilities. Built in with an E-marker and LED indicator, it not only charges efficiently but also keeps you informed about its status. The snakehead shape adds a unique touch to its design, making it visually appealing and easy to handle. With support for PD 240-watt fast charging, this cable can handle a high power output of 48V/5A. This means you can quickly charge your notebook or other compatible devices. It's also downward compatible with PD 100W, 20V/5A, and PD 60W, 20V/3A, ensuring it caters to a wide range of charging needs. In fact, it can fully charge a MacBook in just 2.4 hours, which is incredibly efficient. The cable's ability to deliver a 5A large current makes it compatible with various fast charging protocols, including Huawei FCP, Samsung AFC, Qualcomm QC 4.0/3.0, and more. It's a versatile solution that can handle the diverse charging requirements of different devices. With a transmission speed of 480 Mbps for both charging and data transmission, the Heemax cable ensures you can quickly transfer files without compromising on charging speed. It's a cable that supports your productivity and multitasking needs. One of the standout features is the cable's intelligent identification of most models, ensuring that it charges your device without causing any damage. It's a smart and safe choice for all your charging needs. Durability is a key factor in any cable, and the Heemax cable doesn't disappoint. It features a high-density PP yarn woven wire that is strong and resistant to pulling. The TPE wire body adds to its durability, ensuring it can withstand daily wear and tear. The cable's upgrade superconducting copper core is a game changer. With 165 high-quality copper pieces surrounding it, it offers 10 times the transmission capacity, resulting in 400% faster charging. This means your devices get powered up quickly and efficiently. Lastly, the extra cool LED indicator adds a convenient touch. The soft green light makes it easy to find your device in the dark, ensuring you can connect it with ease, even in low light conditions. In conclusion, the Heemax 240-watt USB Type-C cable is a top-notch choice for those who demand fast charging, data transmission, and durability in their cables. Its LED power indicator, support for high power charging, compatibility with various protocols, and intelligent features make it an excellent cable for a wide range of devices. Say goodbye to slow charging and data transfer issues with this powerful and innovative cable. Number 2. Rockoren 240-watt USB Type-C cable. The Rockoren 240-watt USB Type-C cable is a game changer in the world of fast charging and data transmission. With its impressive capabilities and compatibility, it ushers in a new era of efficiency and convenience. At the heart of this cable is its P3.1 240-watt ultra-fast charge capability, which represents the pinnacle of fast charging technology. It's designed to meet the demands of the modern world where speed and efficiency are paramount. The PD 240W support, along with PD 3.1/QC 5.0 quick charge compatibility, ensures that you can charge your devices at lightning speed. With a 5A large current and an E-marker chip, you can trust that your devices will receive the power they need safely and efficiently. Data transmission is equally impressive with a speed of 480 Mbps. This means that you can charge your devices and transfer data simultaneously without any compromise in efficiency. It's a cable that enhances your productivity and multitasking capabilities. One of the standout features of this cable is its compatibility with a wide range of power bands, including 140W, 100W, 60W, 45W, 30W, and 20W. This makes it versatile and suitable for various devices, ensuring you get the charging speed you need, regardless of the device. In terms of charging performance, the Rockorin cable shines. It can charge a MacBook Pro 2021 up to 78% in just 60 minutes, a testament to its remarkable efficiency. Similarly, it can fully charge an iPad Pro 2021 in just 1.5 hours, saving you valuable time. The cable's compatibility extends to various devices, including Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, and Huawei, supporting fast charging protocols like PD, QC 4.0+, SCP, PPS, FCP, and AFC. With a 5A current, you can trust that your devices will receive the optimal charging speed, ensuring they are ready to go when you need them. Safety is a top priority, and the built-in E-marker chip ensures stable charging. The high-quality wire used in the cable ensures safer charging and data transmission, giving you peace of mind when using it with your valuable devices. Durability is a key factor for any cable, and the Rockorin cable excels in this regard. The high-density nylon braid wire is strong and not easy to break, ensuring it can withstand daily wear and tear. The USB-C ports and interfaces fit well, eliminating concerns about loose connections. In conclusion, the Rockorin 240W USB Type-C cable is a top-tier choice for those who demand fast charging, data transmission, and durability. Its compatibility, high-speed capabilities, and safety features make it an excellent cable for a wide range of devices. Say goodbye to slow charging and data transfer issues with this powerful and reliable cable. Number 1. Baseus 240W USB Type-C cable. The Baseus 240W USB Type-C cable is a remarkable piece of technology that brings a next-level charging experience to your devices. With its impressive 240W peerless power output and PD 3.1 certification, it's designed for those who demand the best in charging capabilities. At the core of this cable's performance is its 240W PD power delivery capability, making it one of the most powerful cables on the market. It's perfect for charging your devices quickly and efficiently, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time using your gadgets. Safety is a top priority, and the inclusion of an E-marker chip ensures that your devices are charged faster and, more importantly, safer. This chip allows for intelligent communication between the cable and your device, guaranteeing that the optimal power is delivered without compromising safety. The use of upgraded zinc alloy material for the connector enhances durability, making this cable a reliable choice that can withstand daily use and wear and tear. You won't have to worry about the connector breaking or wearing out over time. The nylon braided cable wrap adds an extra layer of protection while also making the cable more resistant to bending and tangling. This means you can enjoy a longer lifespan and a more hassle-free experience with this cable. With a transmission speed of 480 Mbps, this cable ensures that your data can be transferred quickly and efficiently. Whether you're charging your devices or transferring files, you won't have to wait around for ages. One of the standout features of this cable is its wide compatibility with all Type-C devices. Whether you have a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or any other device with a Type-C port, this cable has you covered. It's a versatile solution that can cater to all your charging and data transfer needs. In conclusion, the Baseus 240W USB Type-C cable is a top-tier choice for those who demand the best in charging and data transfer capabilities. Its impressive power output, safety features, durability, and compatibility make it an excellent cable for a wide range of devices. Say goodbye to slow charging and data transfer headaches with this powerful and reliable cable.